Hey friends, if you wish to enable HDR on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Search for HDR and then go to HDR settings. Okay, now wait for that and then select the display for which you need to confirm the HDR. Okay, now you'll find an option here for display capabilities. So this will mention whether HDR is usable or not. Like in my case, HDR video streaming is supported and use HDR is not supported. So I won't be able to show you about HDR on the internal display, but just like we have a switch for HDR video streaming, we will have a switch for HDR. Okay, make sure that that switch is on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.